Unblock websites on school Chromebook using a VPN. A virtual private network works as an intermediary between your device and the internet. It routes internet data through another server, which can keep your internet traffic private and unblock websites on school Chromebook devices. You can use a VPN on Chromebook devices using multiple methods. First, you must have access to a VPN. Look through our list of free VPN options to find some good options. Once your VPN service is ready, it's time to set it up on the Chromebook. Most of these services have apps available, making the setup process pretty self-explanatory. If you have to set it up manually, follow the steps below. How to add a VPN to a Chromebook. Launch the Settings app. Go into Network. Click on Add Connection. Select Add Built-in VPN. Get the VPN information from the service provider and input it here. Click on Connect when ready.